Hey everyone, this is Mahima and welcome back to my channel My Way. So for today, I'm going to be creating this look. This is a very traditional yet a glamorous Indian makeup tutorial. I am in love with this look. So yeah, if you're interested in this tutorial, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start with using this Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Serum. I'm really loving these Lakme serums. They are so good. So next for primer, again I'm going to use this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfecting Primer. You guys know I love this primer. Okay, this is one of my favorite primer. So next for foundation, I'm going to take this L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. Take it on my steel plate. Make some oil. And this foundation थोड़ी hydrating हो जाए. I like to apply it evenly on my face. So in this way, product बहुत ही evenly apply होता है. So now to blend everything out, I'm going to use this Picker sponge. So now that I've applied the foundation and I've applied only that much foundation, now I'm going to take this L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This is the Full Wear Concealer and my shade is 312 Amber. So now to blend this concealer, I'm going to use my Pro Art brush. I'm done with the concealer thing. So now I'm going to take this L'Oreal Pro Conceal in Toast and I'm just going to contour my face a bit. Lately I've been a lot on contouring. So, yep. Blend it with my generic brush. You can see it looks a lot lifted. So that's what I like. So always apply my contour slightly above, blend it upwards. And now it's all blended and it looks really good. Now I'm going to do my blush also. So I'm going to take this lip and cheek tint by Just Herbs. This is in the name Rose Coral. I'm going to take slightly bit of it. I'm going to blend it with another brush. So you can see everything looks uplifted. I'm going to set my concealer. So I'm going to use this compact from, this is basically a compact powder from Jacqueline USA. Then I'm going to take the powder. I'm just going to apply it. So I did my brows and basically I did it off camera because my brows are so messy right now. So I just did it off camera. So now I'm going to do my eyes and let's see what I do. So I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution Paprika Bright Eyeshadow Palette. I love this palette, so I'm going to use this to create an eye look. I'm going to take the shade Queen from this palette. And we're just going to apply it on our crease. So once it's blended, I'm going to take the other shade. And I'm just going to apply it on my crease. I'm going to blend it using a clean brush. So once it's blended, I'm going to take the same color and I'm going to place it on my outer corner. Like so. I'm just dabbing the product. And with a very light hand, I'm just blending everything. So now once it's blended, अब मैं क्या करूँगी? अब I'm taking this Mars palette. First, take this eyeshadow and मैं इसका powder ले रही हूँ. तो थोड़ा सा scratch कर रही हूँ इसे. And मैं इसका powder लेकर इसे अपनी steel plate पे ले लूँगी. Then I'm taking some Duraline. This is my favorite thing nowadays. And I'm just gonna add the Duraline to this shadow. 2 drops of this Duraline. 2 drops. ये shadow बिल्कुल ही liquid shadow बन जाएगी. I'm just gonna apply it. And you can see the cut crease. I'm gonna take a small brush and the same brown shadow. I'm just gonna apply it on the outer corner. That's it. Now I'm gonna do on my this eye and we'll be back. So basically I did my eyes and I did a stupid mistake. I just topped my eyeshadow with this color which is too vibrant. It looks fine over here, but pehle zyada acha tha. Okay, can you see this? I just applied this Nicka K liquid shadow. I'm just using my liner pencil, like my liner brush, to apply it. So next and another important step is to apply an eyeliner. So I'm going to use this Flicker liner. So I'm just going to draw a very thin, ताकि जब मैं lashes लगाऊँ तो band पे एक already liner हो. So I was so much confused about this look, so I just popped some lashes and I think it looks better now. Okay, so for my waterline, I'm going to take the same brown shade and just lightly I'm going to apply it. I'm just taking a black kajal to tightline my eyes. Now for my lashes, I'm going to take this Mars mascara, coat my lashes. So now I'm going to take my bronzer. And I'm very lightly, I'm gonna just bronze my face. I am not actually bronzing it, I'm just intensifying my contour with this blush. I'm gonna take this Makeup Revolution Reloaded blush in Rose Kiss, intensify my blush. At last, to add that glow to my face, I'm gonna take this Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate, and this is one of my favorite highlighter. Highlight this damn face. I'm going to overline my lips using this Wet n Wild pencil. Now I'm going to take this Lakme Absolute Gloss. I don't know why I want a glossy lips, so I'm going to take this gloss and I'm just going to apply it on my centers. Okay, just let me add some glam to my look. I'm going to be back. Okay, I'm loving it. Like, this just looks so good and so perfect. I think I should apply a bindi also. What do you guys think? I think the bindi just adds the right amount of glam in this look, and this is the finished look. I'm not wearing any lenses because I wanted to keep this look very much basic. I don't know why I'm not wearing lenses in this video, but yeah, this is the finished look. So I hope you liked this tutorial and I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, bye.